SLP Coin Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about smooth low portion. What's the price? Changes occur on the SLP coin. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Now guys, a lot of people ask me question that is the price of SLP increase in the future or not? So let me show you guys. Let's do a technical analysis on the basis. Now guys, the latest price of the SLP in the market is 0.158219 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the SLP in the market. Other side, furthermore, if we talk about the changes of the SLP, so you can see here guys that the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur and the SLP coin is negative. Complete the price decrease. Last 1 day, last 1 week changes is decrease, but the latest situation of the smooth low portion in the market is positive, so that's why the people have hope that the price will pump. And guys, you can see here, if you look the chart of the SLP coin, so you can see here the chart tells completely guys the price decrease. But guys, you know what, personally I also told this talk in my many videos that personally I believe that after falls there is a jump, and now it is time completely from the 12th August the price of the SLP coin is decreased. So absolutely they have to take a pump in the latest situation, and I believe now they are in the pumping mode. They are in the pumping mode. Anyways, what you think about SLP coin? I think that possibilities 80% chances that the price will increase in the future. Anyways, what you think about SLP coin, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.